located on the banks of the Musi River. The city of Hyderabad was established in 1591 CE by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Hyderabad can be divided into the historic city established by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah on the southern side of the Musi River that forms the old city, while the new city encompasses the urbanized area on the northern banks. Here are the most popular tourist spots in Hyderabad. Charminar. Charminar of Hyderabad is located at the old city. This square-shaped structure with a height of 56 meters and breadth of 30 meters was constructed in 1591. It was built by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah in the honor of his wife Bagmati. Mecca Masjid. In 1617, it was built by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Although the construction was completed in 1694 by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, with a height of almost 75 feet and dimensions of 220 feet by 180 feet, it can easily accommodate about 10,000 devotees. Lord Bazaar, one of the oldest, most popular shopping areas of Hyderabad. Lord Bazaar is located adjacent to the Charminar. This market boasts of an incomparable varieties of bangles, from cloths and embroidery works to pearls and semi-precious jewelry. You get everything here. Golconda Fort. Its impressive structure has majestic walls which are as high as 15 to 18 foot and a perimeter of close to 11 kilometers. Along with brilliant architecture, this fort also captivates its visitors with its system of acoustics. Ramoji Film City, one of the largest film studios in the world. It has the capacity to house almost 50 film units within a given point of time. It is also listed in Guinness Book of World Records as well. Spread over 2,500 acres, it is situated about 30 kilometers away from the Hyderabad. Hussain Sagar Lake. Hussain Sagar Lake boasts of being the largest artificial lake in Asia. The main attraction is 16 meters high white granite statue of Lord Buddha with a weight of 350 tons, situated at the middle of the lake. The lightning show here is worth watching. Birla Mandir. Birla Mandir located atop 280-foot high hillock of Kalapahad. The temple has 11 feet tall statue of Lord Lakshmi Narayana with a magnificent lotus carved around it. It also has separate shrines for deities such as Venkateshwara, Padmavati and Andal as well. Qutub Shahi tombs. Constructed with grey granite, these quadrangular structure with dome-shaped roofs are ornamented with beautiful designs. The garden, Ibrahim Bagh, which surrounds the tombs, is popular as picnic spots. These tombs are now also used as a venue for Dakkan Festival by the state government. Durgam Cheruvu. Durgam Cheruvu is located quite close to the high-tech city. Presenting captivating scenic beauty, the lake is also known as the Secret Lake. This can be because of the fact that it is hidden by the surrounding granite rocks. The rock formations surrounding the lake are spread across an area of 63 acres of land and are said to be approximately 2,500 million years old. KBR National Park. This national park boasts of having more than 100 species of birds, 20 species of reptiles and 15 species of butterflies. You can experience its natural beauty by having a walk in the park. People also visit it to sit amidst its rich flora. Sangi Temple. About 25 kilometers away from Hyderabad, Sangi Temple is located on the hillock Paramanandagiri. Dedicated to the Lord Venkateshwara, the architecture of this temple is based on the Chola Chalukya architectural style. Taj Falaknama Palace. Spread across an area of 32 acres, the palace has been constructed with marble and is often referred as the mirror of the sky. There are almost 22 halls and 220 rooms in the palace, along with an impressive library, captivating chandeliers, marble staircase, and many attractive features which make it an architectural marvel. Lumini Park. Located quite close to the Hussain Sagar Lake, the giant clock designed with varied kinds of captivating flowering plants, which you see at the entrance is one of the prime attractions of the park. The musical fountain and the leisure show here must not be missed. Another key feature of Lumini Park is its rich flora. So finally, here are the topmost tourist attractions in Hyderabad that you have to visit. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.